Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video we'll be doing a comparison between Microsoft Copilot Chat versus Google Gemini in Docs. Let's not waste any time, so click that subscribe button and let's get into this. Google's Gemini feels like a slightly upgraded version of Bard under a new name, though it occasionally still refers to itself as Bard. It's an impressive conversationalist, with a natural and human-like tone. However, beneath the eloquence, Gemini often struggles with accuracy and reliability. One of its biggest issues is the tendency to exaggerate its abilities. For example, it claims it can access Google Drive, send emails, or even transcribe screenshots. It will sometimes prompt users to wait, while it supposedly performs these actions, only to deliver no results in the end. Another major drawback of Gemini is its occasional memory loss. At times, it abruptly deletes previous prompts along with its responses, wiping out entire sessions without warning. This flaw can result in the loss of hours, or even days, of work. For that reason, anyone relying on Gemini for important tasks should take precautions by exporting and saving their sessions regularly. Both Copilot and Gemini have a straightforward user interface, UI, that takes little effort to navigate. That said, Copilot integrates much better with Microsoft 365 apps than Gemini does with Google Workspace. Gemini's UI is clean and uncomplicated. You should be able to navigate this UI quickly and without hiccups, whether you're a novice or an experienced AI user. The interface resembles ChatGPT, with the chat bar at the bottom of the screen and recent conversations on the left side panel. The settings button lets you view and control your subscription, switch between dark and light themes, access extensions, and manage links you've created to your chat history. Like Gemini, Copilot has a chat window at the bottom of the screen. This chat function comes with 3 conversation style options: creative, precise, and balanced. You can switch between the Copilot and Notebook views, with the latter letting you send more detailed prompts, 18,000 characters versus 2,000 in the Copilot view. Gemini claims to integrate seamlessly with Google Workspace apps, but in practice this isn't always the case. As of now, it works with Gmail, Docs, Sheets, and Slides, though the functionality varies. The Docs integration is the most reliable, while the Sheets add-on remains in beta, and the Slides integration is extremely limited. Microsoft's AI Assistant improves the functionality of Outlook, Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and Teams by taking on tedious tasks and easing your workload. Here's what do consumers say about Microsoft Copilot and Google Gemini. Keeping that in mind, you guys can understand what suits the best for you and your workflow. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe and like this video for more videos.